All right, ladies and gentlemen. So it's Saturday morning. We are on our way to the collision experts of Cape Coral. We meant to do it last Saturday. Scheduling conflicts got in the way and we ended up not being able to do it. So now we are on the way to get the 300 worked over, and hopefully they didn't forget, or they're going to live up to the taking care of the Magnum's headlights like they promised. We'll find out. But here is a before. Well, now that you guys got a chance to look at the before, we're almost there, about a minute or two out. Saturdays, they're normally closed and they use it as like a catch-up day, a detailing day and stuff like that. They said the 300 is going to take about 2 hours. I would hope and imagine that doing the headlights wouldn't take an hour or more, but then again, like I said, it's their detail day, it's their catch-up day, so it might take them longer than anticipated. I don't know. So once it's all said and done, we'll bring you back for part 2 so you can see the results.